Hi, this is Marty. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 ways to sell your home for the highest price and the best terms.
When homes are selling fast, who can ensure you'll get the most money for yours? In Triangle, no agent spends more money or creates demand like Marti Hampton.
You know, we've got an excellent market. Going into the fall of 2018 has brought us news that Amazon is coming to Wake County. We've had other tech giants announce that they're coming to this area. We have got a seller's market that we've really waited for years to have. So my first tip is not to be sold on the very first way to sell your home. In other words, the very first agent, the very first plan. Let's think about this. It is most likely one of your biggest assets. So we can show you a way to get your very best benefit out of this market that we've waited so long for. And the very first way is to start early. If you want to sell your house by the end of 2018, call us now. Call us right now. It's not even too early to call us if you want to sell your house in the spring of 2019, because the longer that we've got to plan for this, the better off your results are going to be. So starting early is really good. Even if you're not ready to put the sign up, even if you're not ready to show the house, you're taking your last trips to the beach, you're getting the kids in school, we need to be starting now. And by using our Coming Soon Homes, our national website, we can attract buyers long before your home is ready to show. The number 2 way is to let us use Coming Soon Homes to find the buyer that will give you the best price and terms. You know, there's so much more to real estate than getting a quick offer. Sometimes getting a quick offer is like love at first sight, divorce at first fight. Oh, did I really say that? Yeah, I did. Because it is such a fake feeling to, you know, you get that buzz and you get that offer quick and you think, man, I've done so good. But then you go through the red tape and you go through the buyer that's difficult in inspections. You go through the loan that's a nail biter all the way up to the closing. So sometimes the pleasure of a quick offer is just not worth the pain of getting it to the closing table. So by letting us use Coming Soon Homes, we can get all the buyers, and if we've got all the buyers to choose from, we'll have a better alternative, a better chance for you to find a really great one. And the third thing is let us find a cash buyer by using Coming Soon Homes. You know, 15% of the market of moderately priced homes is going to cash buyers, and selling to a cash buyer is so much better, is so much less complication. You have the chance to not worry about the buyer's loan. There's so many things that we can do in your benefit when we sell to a cash buyer. But if the cash buyer doesn't know that your home's for sale or doesn't know that it's coming on the market for sale, you've missed your chance to have that great cash buyer that might pay even above list price, and we've had some great success with that this year. So when you're ready to sell your home for the best price and best terms, call us, because we've got a plan to do exactly that. We'd love to hear from you. Take care. Bye-bye.